So here's a little update from the Fremont Casino and the construction going on there. It looks like they've built some kind of new entrance on the, what do you call it? East side of the earlier structure. This is a casino expansion. Poor guy looks hot. Pizza Rock down here, as you know. And this is gonna take over the former buffet space and just add a lot of square footage to the Fremont Casino. And that's the status. Are you not entertained? And here's the other side of the construction at Fremont Casino. Pizza Rock and Downtown Grand across the street over here. It's coming along nicely. It's quite deep. So this is going to be a lot more slot machines added to the Fremont Casino, that's for sure.